Hello everybody. I just got in my dual screen Soundstream head unit. It is from Amazon, and this is my first video ever, and I just wanted to do a box opening video. I thought they were pretty neat and helpful, and let's see what's in the box. This radio is a VRN-DD7HB. What is it? DD7HB. And let's see what's in the box. Let's see what we get. I bought this. Not brand new, but it was, I guess, opened and sent back. So it was used, very good condition. And I got a discount on it. So, I got some stuff in. Throw that off to the side. Okay. Now we have in the box the actual radio. Soundstream VRN-DD7HB Dual Screen Head Unit. I was going to do this originally in my truck outside, but the lighting in that is very poor quality. Don't want to do too much damage. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so we have a little bit of where somebody ripped it open before. It has the manual for it, which it looks like it's in English. It says 2-DIN 6.95 inch with 7-inch TFT LCD monitor. DVD, CD, MP3, MP4 player, AM, FM radio, supports Bluetooth, supports navigation, supports USB, phone link, remote, and screen. Let's see. So we have the adapter, the GPS antenna, so the adapter, the manual, GPS antenna. This is probably the remote. Like I said, I bought it used, so hopefully everything's in here. This is the remote for it. Just get a really good close-up of it so everybody can see what it all has. Call, end call, numbers, eject, disc, radio, GPS, Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and a whole bunch of other cool little things. This right here would be good question. Looks like a bracket for the stereo. You can't see it from there. It's got 3 of them. It's got metal and screws. When we install it, I'll let you know more on that. So, a lot easier when you turn it upside down, I guess. The box over here. Set this up. You got the radio in here. So this is the back of the radio. Have it upside down. This looks like the antenna cable. Try to get you a better view of this. This is video out, camera. It says LIN, so line, RIN, video out 2, or VIN and video out 2. This is probably for the subwoofer, the right left, or rear left, front right, rear right, and subwoofer 2. And here's the USB cable for it. Comes automatically attached, so you have to run this down out to one of your so you can get to it inside the car. Comes with a fuse already in there. It's a 10 amp fuse. This right here would probably be the GPS, and we have the actual cable. So it comes with this case right here, which snaps into your unit, and then it has the faceplate adapter right here on the front, if you can see. So the one thing is that they left it on Amazon left it on my front porch. It's a good thing that I have family that, you know, is here at the house. So I called them and made sure that they picked it up off the front door and that it was in. And now everything looks good. It has a few minor scratches, but I bought it at a discount, you know, used, and you're not even gonna notice it for when you put it in your car, your vehicle. So if you buy brand new, you won't have none of that stuff. VRN-DD or VRN-DD7HB Soundstream 300 watt 4-channel dual screen. It says it has a microphone on the front, IR for the remote, and I will update you on the installation once I get the backup video camera, which, as you can see, what all comes in the box. And if you want the video camera, you'll have to buy that separately, which I bought one that was pretty souped up, that had a whole bunch of lights and everything on there, and also bought a mounting kit for my 2005 Nissan Titan, is what I'm going to be putting it into. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm going to post this to YouTube, and you can write comments at the bottom, and I will try to get your questions answered. And there's a couple other videos that are pretty good, but like I said, I'll get back to you and get your questions answered. Alright, thank you for watching. Please tune in to my next video. Thanks. Bye.